Hey guys, how's it going? The next clips are just what I wanted to show you of kind of what I am doing down here. I'm working as a raw vegan chef, and tonight I actually had the great opportunity to kind of lead a class, and we prepped a few different types of foods for a meal for these three lovely ladies who are really interested in including more raw foods. And so tonight we made an avocado basil pasta, a really delicious Greek salad dressing, and then a very healing and simple creamy celery soup. So all of the recipes are on my site, which you can find right down below. And these are some clips to kind of show you the fun we had tonight. It was a really great time. So first of all, got some lovely ladies that wanted the raw food demo of avocado basil pesto and Greek salad, Greek dressing, and cream of celery soup. And your creation, limeade. Woo! Taste your guys, really some amazing stuff. Really. I'm like looking at your food. There you go.
Food porn. Food porn.
Food porn.